Hi friends, welcome to Simply Tricks. In this video, we are going to see how to install Python in Windows. And these are the basic steps that you can install in Windows 10, Windows 11, any of the Windows version. So for that, just open your browser. Here I am using web browser Chrome, and you can use any of the web browser. And in the search bar, simply type Python. In the very first page, and the first link is given as www.python.org. It is the official website where we can download freely the Python software. So just click this website, and in this website we will have about downloads, documentation and all. Here just go for downloads. On the right side you can find download for Windows. And here there is a button Python 3.12.1. This is the latest version, and we can directly, by clicking this, we can directly download. Let's get downloaded. So I have downloaded the Python and I'm going to install it now. So just open this one. Here we have two options. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. So select this one. And also add python.exe to path. Select this also. Next go for customize installation, and here no need to change anything, and go here also no need to change anything, and check the installing location. If you want you can change here, and now click install button. So it will ask this app will make changes to your device. Press yes, and the installation starts. It will take only few seconds. Yes. Installation is going to complete now, I think. Yes, completed, and it was successfully installed in our system. So to check whether the Python is installed in our system or not, just go to the command prompt, type Python space dash dash version, and press enter. See Python 3.12.1. You get Python 3.12.1. So it is installed in your system. And to run our first program, go for IDLE Python. It's open. So simply type print simply tricks, and just enter. See, it's running. So we have successfully installed the Python software in our system and run our first command. And shall we run the Python software without installing this software in our system? Yes, we can run the Python program without installing the software also. And to know how, please subscribe my channel and wait for my next video. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe.